Good morning, guys. Welcome back to our channel. As I don't know if you can actually, yeah, you can tell. It's actually a little bit raining outside today, but we are still hooked up to the trailer, and we're taking one mower today because we have 2 yards. We were gonna try to wait the rain out. We didn't know it was gonna rain today because we don't check the weather. And so we just wake up, find out what the weather's gonna be that day. And it's unfortunate. Sometimes we plan jobs for when God had planned for it to rain. So you have to work around that. But 1 yard's all weed eaten, so it's not really gonna make a difference. Like, we should be able to still do that. Last time we did the yard, it was actually raining. We had some ponchos. We threw those on and knocked it out pretty quick, like 30 minutes. So it's gonna be the same plan for today. And then the second yard, it's, you know, it won't affect it. It's very flat. It's an easy yard. We won't tear the grass up. We're gonna be super careful. It's gonna be okay. You know, we're gonna knock these 2 out, because if we don't do them today, it's really gonna put a dent in our schedule, because tomorrow, you know, we're fully booked with jobs, and then, you know, we don't work on Saturday, and, you know, every day after that, it's just throwing it farther and farther off. So if we can get them done today, that's gonna be ideal. So take you along with us. The driving views might not be as good where it's raining, so we'll try to get you some good scenic views when and wherever we can. You know, Lord willing, they'll clear it up for us, and we can have a few gaps. We'll get this stuff done and get a few good clips, something entertaining for you guys today. So just come along with us, and hopefully the next time you see us, we'll be at the first yard. Guys, we just pulled up here at the first yard, and actually the rain has really slacked off. We stopped at it's actually Dollar Tree mixed with Family Dollar now, so, and we picked these ponchos up, so we're gonna throw these on just so we don't get wet, you know, soaking wet or whatever. But we're about to get out. Hopefully we can figure out a place to set up our GoPros and our, you know, my phone and stuff, so we can get some footage of this. This is all weed eaten.
It's good
so
though.
if we can't get a place without our stuff getting wet, we might not get it, but, you know, we'll do a walk around or something. Yeah, but Lord willing, you'll be seeing us weed eating right now. it actually turns out as soon as we got out of the truck, it stopped raining. So we didn't have to put the ponchos on, which I'm thankful, because those things, as humid as it is, they will sweat you so much. Look, guys, right behind me. I don't know if you can see it. There's like a very old cemetery right there. But yeah, this is a lot of weed eating. You've seen the first part of here, but I'm gonna try to set you up over here, get you angle this downhill. So. Okay guys, back in the truck. We just finished that up. I didn't really look at what time it was when we started. It'll be on the camera, but it didn't take us that long. I say, what do you think? 30, 45 minutes at the most. But we were actually able to get some really good footage. You saw me in the other clip saying that we got out, it wasn't raining, which you see in the footage that it was not raining when we started. But when we were about halfway finished, it started. It wasn't pouring down rain, not enough to really justify, I feel like, walking all the way back up to the truck to get the ponchos, but enough to get us a little bit wet. I was trying to back the trailer, turn this around. But we did get it finished. And I'm feeling pretty good about it, and it's pretty much, it looks like it's trying to clear up a little bit more now, so if we can just get this next one knocked out, we'll be doing pretty good. So, alright, come on. I've said it before, but let's go to Dandridge. we're at the second yard, the last yard of the day. We did have 3 yards today, but I can't remember if we said it or not. We're not going to be able to mow the third one because we can't mow it when it's wet. So we're going to knock this one out. It's not starting to sprinkle back again. We'll try to see where we can set you up. Hopefully you can watch us do this. But all right, let's go. Let's go knock it out. Let's go mow.
backyard on the side over there, but I did on that side of it.
All right, thank you. Because I'm really getting hot. Because I told you it'd get hot if I wore these pants. I love you. Okay, guys, so change plans. We're about to mow now. This is Harley's mower, and even though our mowers are exactly the same, they're 1 year difference. So, like, they're different as far as how they feel. Like, there's a couple little small differences with them and stuff. But let me get you. I'm trying to get you situated up here where you can see. Okay, all right, let's go. Hey guys, we're back in the truck. We just finished the last yard, so we're good to go for the rest of the day now. We did bring a change of clothes because we were thinking, like last time we knew it was raining and we were gonna get wet. We didn't have any clothes, so we just had to be wet. And like we were like, this time we're gonna bring a change of clothes. But honestly, I don't even feel like I feel too dirty to even change into those clothes. Tough it out. We'll ride it to the house. We got lots of towels. We'll try to keep the seats. I don't mind the phone now. Try to keep these seats covered up so they don't get super dirty. But we're just gonna ride on to the house now and get cleaned up, get the lawnmower put up and everything, and we'll see what else we can get into today. I said we were going straight home in the last clip, but we are actually here at the gas station. We're at the Weigels. Had to stop here and get a little bit of fuel really quick. I feel like it's pretty much officially cleared up for the day, but I feel like it'll be overcast for the rest. Which I don't know, it could still rain again maybe, you never know. Look where I hung my boots up right here. Went ahead and changed out of those since we were done mowing. Yeah, I can't remember if I talked about it or not already, but we did have 3 yards today. The one that from the video yesterday we talked about, we picked up a new yard that was going to be, I can't remember if we said or not that we were going to mow that today. I said we were going to mow them on 2 separate days, the 2 yards that we quoted yesterday, but I can't remember if I said that one of them we were going to mow it today, which is the next day. But it rained a lot today, and we can't mow that yard when it rains, so we're gonna hopefully try to squeeze it in tomorrow. And we'd have a full day booked every Friday, which is tomorrow. But I do think, oh, I'm sorry, I hope everything's okay with all this sirens going on. But yeah, so we're gonna try to squeeze it in tomorrow or whatever, so. Okay, well, I think we're done pumping the fuel. So, let's go to the house. Yeah, it's blocked off that way. Okay guys, we're finally back home. You saw us unload the stuff. You saw us mow all the yards. You pretty much saw everything we did today. We took you along with pretty much everything we've done. So hopefully you stuck around. Hopefully you liked what we did. If you do, like it, subscribe, share it with somebody. You know, do you have anything to say, or would you? I cut you off.
No, you're good.
Okay.
We look forward to producing more content. So
Yeah.
thanks for watching.
Yeah. We were seeming to get the hang of it pretty good, so I feel like we might be able to get videos hopefully every day. So that's our goal for now. So keep watching, keep sharing. We love you guys. Until next time, see ya.
See ya.